Hey guys, this is Gorg, and I'm going to teach you how to make an X base today. What you're going to need is beads, scissors, elastic, and an optional needle. Personally, I use the yarn needles, but you can really use whatever size you want that'll fit on your elastic. So we're going to start with our blue beads, which is going to be our color A, and our pink is going to be our color B. The white is going to be C, but we don't need to use the white just yet. So we're going to put on 2 A beads, 1 B, 2 A, 1 B, and do that until you have about 10 to 12 sets of 3. So when we have 10 to 12 sets of 3, this bracelet I'm doing 12 sets. We're going to tie it on one end, so one of the ends is really short and the other is really long, and the long end is what our needle is going to be attached to, so that's the end we're going to work with. So here I am pushing it to one side so I can tie it off, and it's going to be really short, and we're going to cut that little piece off. For our next row up, we are going to put on one A bead, one C bead, and another A bead. So the C bead is going to be in the middle of the bracelet, and the X is going to have whatever color your C beaded in the middle of the X, and your B color is going to be what's on the bottom and the top. And your A is the main color, of course. As we get to the end of our ACA pattern, we're going to put on our last beads and go through our B bead as usual, but this time we're going to go step up a level. So we're going to go through the pink bead, then we're going to step up by going through the next A bead in the direction that you're going, and through the C bead that you're in that direction. Like that, I'm showing you. And then, when you're through those two beads, you're going to pick an A, another B, and an A. So you're basically doing the ACA pattern, but instead of a C, you're doing a B. we're going to do this ABA pattern all the way around like we did with the ACA pattern. So we're just going to go around the whole thing, and then we're going to step up again like we did just now. As you get to the end of this row, after you step up, we're going to be coming out of a B bead, and we're going to put on 2 A beads and go through the next B bead that's sticking up. So basically just 2 A beads, go through the next B bead all the way around, and then we're going to tie it off. As you get to the end of the double A row, you're going to start tying it off. So we're going to go through that hole that next to our elastic, and we're going to hold the loop and pull the needle through. And then we're going to do that 2 or 3 times so it'll stay sturdy. And that's basically it. So you can cut off the extra elastic and you have an empty X space. That's a 1X space. To go higher, instead of the 2 A beads, you keep going with the X's. So there's our X base, and there's the one I was going off of. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.